Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the chapter Bills of Exchange. And the topic to be explained in this chapter is retaining of bill receivable by drawer till the date of maturity. Till today, I explained you the introductory part of Bills of Exchange. I introduced you with the chapter Bills of Exchange and explained you what entries are needed to be passed in the books of drawer related to the topic retaining of bill receivable by drawer till the date of maturity. Now today in this online class session of accountancy, the same topic will be under consideration, but what journal entries are needed to be passed in the books of drawing related to the same topic will be explained to you today. Okay. Now just see the right hand side green board. Books of purchaser, that is drawing. What entries are needed to be passed, that I am going to explain you. First of all, the drawee or the purchaser of goods will pass the journal entry related to the goods purchased on credit. Whenever goods will be purchased on credit, then in the books of drawee, what drawee will do or what will happen in the books of drawee, there will be an increase in the goods. And the increase in the goods as per the rules of debit and credit is shown on the debit side, because the drawee is purchasing the goods are the assets of the are the assets for drawee, and increase in assets is shown on the debit side. See, assets serial number 1, purchases account debit. But these goods are purchased on credit basis. Whenever the goods are purchased on the credit basis, then the creditors increase, and creditors being liabilities are shown on the credit side. See serial number 1. Okay. So the journal entry here needed to be passed is purchase account debit to creditors account, and the narration I have shown here, goods purchased on credit. Okay. Now, secondly, what drawee will do? Drawee will accept the bill drawn by the drawer. When the drawee will accept the bill drawn by the drawer or say seller of the goods, then the place of the creditors will be occupied by bill payable. Okay. Bill payable is also a liability and is increasing. Will be shown on the credit side, but due to the bill payable acceptance from the side of the drawee, the creditor of drawee will decrease, because its place is being occupied by bill payable. Right. So in place of creditor, write bill payable, and creditor's place will be debit side. Now, the journal entry to be passed is creditors debit to bill payable, showing the decrease in creditors and increase in bill payable. Bill payable is a liability for the drawee, okay, which arose due to acceptance of bill drawn by the drawer. Acceptance is given by the drawee to the drawer. Now, next, what will happen in the near future? The payment of the bill will be made by the drawee to the bearer of bill receivable. And when the payment will be made, when the payment will be made, then what will happen? There will be decrease in cash. And decrease in cash, as per the rules of debit and credit, cash is an asset, and decrease in asset is shown on which side? On the credit side. On the credit side. Right? See here, assets, whenever decreases are to be shown on the credit side. When bills payment will be made by the drawee, then what will happen? There will be decrease in cash with him. So it will be shown on the credit side. So the journal entry to be passed is bill payable account debit to cash account. When the bills payment will be made by the drawee, then the liability bill payable will decrease. Decrease in liability is shown on the debit side. See the third serial number. Bill payable shown on the debit side because of liability being decreasing. Right. And due to this, what will happen? There will be decrease in cash. Cash as an asset will decrease, and decrease in cash will be shown on the credit side as per the rules of debit and credit. Okay. So these are the three journal entries which are needed to be passed in the books of drawee related to the topic retaining of bill receivable by a drawer till the date of maturity. Okay, right. Just I am showing you the left hand side green board, and what you need to do, you need to just take the screenshot of the same and just prepare notes on the basis of this explanation and the screenshot whatever you are taking. Okay, some key points also I explained you here. Okay, that key points are also needed to be noted in the fair notebook. Okay, that will help you in the examinations. To be conducted in future. Okay, so note the key points also. It is not so that whatever is given in the book that you just cram, learn and just come for exam. Whatever key points I am explaining you here, that key points are also needed to be noted in the fair notebook. Okay, that will help you a lot in solving the questions which will be asked in the future exams. Okay, right. So that's all for today. A YouTube video link will also be provided to you of the same explanation. Right. Just take the YouTube video link from the WhatsApp class group. Just watch it. Right. Okay. Watch the video link repeatedly, and if you face any problem, then you can just ask your problems, share your problems on my personal WhatsApp number. Your problems will be solved. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.